Okay. What's on the to-do list? What's on the to-do list?
I think it's like all just aesthetic explore caves.
All right, let's do that.
You can start by
You think we can finish this game in like one sitting?
probably not. I mean,
No.
you could speedrun it, but
We're probably gonna die because we're all noobs.
not that fun to speedrun it.
Okay, let's get some food because I'm literally gonna die of starvation. I don't have food. Let's get cooking. Let's get cooking. Wait, how do I put? Oh, here we go. Hey, so how's your day, huh?
Good.
Good. Yeah, how's your day? How's your day, Schizo?
Nice. I'm still on the bench with me. What's
Oh
up?
my god, we're so close, teacher. Do you want to hold hands?
Do it right now.
I'm kind of nervous.
Oh, since you guys are like, don't eat the white and don't eat the red one.
What the fuck? Oh. Did you guys eat my food? Oh, I'm gonna die. No. No, I don't wanna die. Fuck. No. Piss off. No, I'm gonna die. Fuck
Ow.
you. Alright, PvP. Alright, everybody, weapons down. No, you dick! Where's my stick? No, took my stick. Stop. Okay, we should be working together instead of trying to kill
Yes.
us. Why the fuck are you charging on me with axe then? Jesus. Oh my goodness, I'm scared. Oh, you made me use the axe. I mean, get the fuck out!
Okay. We need to work together, not against each other. Right?
Yeah, no, seriously.
All right. Here, how about I'll set up the walls. You guys can like get resources.
Okay, I'm gonna just keep getting sticks.
Timber.
Preferably if you get logs, like logs. Are pretty-
Yo, I like.
Oh yeah. He's chopping down trees. I'll carry them. Oh, it's my favorite thing. Birds, die. Come here. Give me your fucking meat. No, come the fuck. Mine. Birds, more birds. Yes. Give me. Fuck. Got away again. Oh, more birds. Oh, come here. Fuck. Why are these birds so... I got it.
Great content, boys.
Just killing birds. That's it.
Just killing birds. Birds need to die.
Yeah.
Also, they're my only food source. I literally don't know how to get all the food other than killing birds and eating them. So,
Can I have a bird?
I have like one piece of meat.
What do I get? Oh, what happened there?
You died. Are you serious? Again.
I drank some
Again.
water.
Oh yeah, that's dirty water, right? So
Oh my god, everything
You can die by-
kills me.
Oh my goodness. Get up. Oh, I can drink the water as well. I'm gonna drink it. No. Okay, let's go back in here. No.
Ow, I didn't do
I
anything.
saw that.
It wasn't me.
Jesus.
What just happened?
Did you
that's pretty fucking.
kill
It
the
broke-
log?
It broke the wall. Oh,
No, you crushed the walls as well.
oh, it killed the.
Yo.
Oh, we can't sleep. But...
I got a tooth.
Oh no, I'm gonna die.
Are you fucking serious? Ow, 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 ow. Oh, they
Yeah.
hit pretty hard, huh?
Ow.
Get her, get her, get her, get her. You hit me! You dick! Oh, I got bone armor. Can you see it? Oh, hell yeah. Schizo, where are you? Where are you?
I'm getting wood.
Oh, let's see. Oh, oh, can't sleep.
Can't sleep with monsters nearby.
Yeah, I got Garmer. Hell yeah. What can I do with coins? What the f- No. You can... Hey,
Hey.
what's up? How you doing? Fuck! Ah, get away!
Wait.
No, no!
What?
Okay, stop attacking me. Actually, I need to consider my HP. I see another bird.
Hey, we got the house
I got-
done.
We're going to the house?
Here, we can break our small house over here then.
Oh yeah. Yeah,
Oh,
fuck
yeah.
you have.
I'm gonna. You guys should save the game.
Uh-oh.